world is going to ask you. They'll look you in the eyes and demand to know, where are you from? They'll want to know where you grew up and what flag you will carry into the fight. Your journey, it's going to take you everywhere. You'll hit 1,000 stops. You'll see 1,000,000 destinations. But through all the noise, there is only one beginning, only one community that knows your name. Many roads, one home, the place that defines who we are. We are educators. We are the strong. We are bold. We are creative. We are diverse. We are inclusive. We are born champions. We are dreamers. We are the future. We are change makers. We are empowering. We are leaders. We are driven. We are innovative. We are community. We are passionate. We are legacy. We are educating for tomorrow. We are greatness together.
We are Pickerington.
We are Pickerington. We are Pickerington.
We are Pickerington.
We are Pickerington.
We are Pickerington.
We are Pickerington.
We are
Pickerington.
We are Pickerington.
We are Pickerington.
We are Pickerington.
We are Pickerington.
We are Pickerington.
We are Pickerington.
Kulana Pickerington ina. We are Pickerington.
We are Pickerington.
We are Pickerington. Hami Pickerington.
We are Pickerington.
We are Pickerington.
Kulana Pickerington you. Nosotros somos de Pickerington. We are Pickerington.
Nosotros somos Pickerington.
We are Pickerington. Hami Pickerington.
We are Pickerington.
We are Pickerington. We are Pickerington.
We are Pickerington.
We are